Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll talk about how stretch fabrics behave and how to work with them correctly inside Aiclo. We'll use leggings as an example because they clearly show how stretch percentage, ease, and pattern shape interact. Stretch fabrics like elastane, biflex, jersey, and cotton knits behave very differently from woven fabrics with a fixed warp and weft. This affects the ease, the pattern size, the fit, and even the way we build the garment in the first place. Let's start with the stretch coefficient. If a fabric piece that is 10 centimeters wide stretches to 13, the stretch coefficient is 1.3, or 130%. In Aiclo, this corresponds to the stretchability setting. We use this number to scale certain pattern dimensions so the fabric works in tension and gives the correct tight fit. Here are our leggings with stretch set to 0. Now we enter 130%. The pattern becomes narrower. It does not get longer or shorter vertically because in our current implementation, only horizontal directions are scaled for stretch. This matches how leggings behave. They stretch mostly around the body, not along the leg. Now let's look at the maps. In Aiclo, we have two maps, Fit Map and Strain Map. Fit Map visualizes the distance between fabric and body, helping you see where the garment fits closely or has extra room. Strain Map shows the tension zones, indicating where the material is stretched and how much. Green means neutral. Yellow means moderate tension. Red means high tension. First, we check both maps with stretch set to 0. You will see mostly blue and green zones. After we set stretch to 130%, the pattern becomes smaller and the fabric now stretches more on the avatar, especially around the waist, hips and upper thighs. You will see more red on the strain map in exactly these areas. This is correct for tight leggings. Now let's separate two concepts, stretch and ease. Stretch comes from the fabric, ease comes from the pattern. For example, our avatar's waist is 70 centimeters. The pattern waist might be 63.8 centimeters. This difference is the negative ease that gives the tight fit. If we set ease to 0, the pattern waist becomes equal to the avatar waist. The pattern pieces straighten slightly and you'll see the maps change, with less red in the waist area. If we add positive ease, the waist becomes wider and the fabric is no longer under strong tension. Ease and stretch always work together. If the fabric is very stretchy, ease can be strongly negative. If the fabric has low stretch, ease must be close to 0 or even positive. Aiclo calculates both at once. You can see how the maps change every time we adjust ease or stretch. We now also have local ease controls for leggings. You can adjust ease at the knee and at the ankle separately. This is important because stretch fabrics don't behave the same along the entire leg. Increasing ease at the knee gives a more relaxed, straighter shape. Reducing ease creates a second skin fit. At the ankle, these controls can produce a tapered silhouette or a subtle flare. Every change updates the pattern instantly, and you can see the result right away in both Fit Map and Strain Map. In short, stretch fabrics need special construction logic. Aiclo helps you measure stretch, adjust ease, and check fit and strain maps for accurate results. The pattern updates automatically, giving you a perfect fit with no guesswork. Create unique designs quickly and easily with Aiclo's smart pattern fitting algorithm. Follow us on social media. You'll find the links in the description. We wish you inspiration. Let Aiclo do the rest.